Hi everyone, welcome to 99 Fame. Today we are going to know about Indian police ranks and their insignia on the shoulders of every policeman. Police forces are dedicated to implement the law and order in the country. As part of law enforcement, police forces have four major responsibilities. They are enforcing laws, preventing crimes, responding to emergencies, and providing support services. Indian police forces, which includes IPS officers and state police service officers. Here as we shown in the tree diagram, on the left hand side, IPS officers are recruited by Union Public Service Commission (UPSC), would conduct the exam every year, where here IPS officers are class 1 gazetted officers. On the right hand side, state police service officers can be categorized into non-gazetted and gazetted officers, where here gazetted officers are recruited through respect to State Public Service Commission and non-gazetted who are recruited through respect to State Police Department. Apart from this, we have a commissionerate system in the metropolitan cities, as it is supposed to allow for faster decision making to solve complex urban centric issues. Now we are going to see ranks and insignia. Firstly, non-gazetted state police constable is a junior most rank and has a no insignia on his shoulder. Next rank, senior police constable has red color 2 chevrons on his shoulders, where in case of Maharashtra police 2 golden stripes on his shoulders. Then head constable has 3 red colored chevrons on his shoulder, where in case of Maharashtra police 3 golden stripes on his shoulder. Then assistant sub inspector of police ASI, on the shoulder strip ASI has 1 star and red and blue stripes. Then sub inspector of police SI has 2 stars and red and blue stripes. Then assistant inspector of police API, only Maharashtra police service had this rank. On the shoulders of assistant inspector of police has 3 stars and red stripe. And then inspector of police INS has 3 stars and red and blue stripes. Now we will see state police gazetted officers. Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP. Here DSP has 3 stars on his shoulders. From here onwards no stripes on the shoulders. Then Additional Superintendent of Police has 1 national emblem. Then Superintendent of Police SP has 1 national emblem and 1 star on shoulder. And then Senior Superintendent of Police has 1 national emblem and 2 stars on his shoulders. Now IPS officers. The initial or first rank of IPS officer is Assistant Superintendent of Police, has 1 star on the shoulder strip, indicates that first year of service probationary period. Here onwards IPS is attached outside of the shoulder strip. Then Assistant Superintendent of Police has 2 star on the shoulder strip, indicates that 2 years of service probationary period. Then Deputy Superintendent of Police has 3 stars on shoulder strip in 3rd year of service. Then Additional Superintendent of Police has 1 national emblem. Then Senior Superintendent of Police has 1 national emblem and 2 stars. The Deputy Inspector General of Police DIG has 1 national emblem and 3 stars. DIG is a 1 star officer. Then Inspector General of Police has 1 star and crossed sword and baton on his shoulders. In the hierarchical order, IG is the 3rd highest rank, a 2 star officer. Then Additional Director General of Police and Director General of Police has 1 national emblem and crossed sword and baton. Those are 3 star officers. And then Director of Intelligence Bureau DIB has 1 national emblem, 1 star and crossed. DIB is a 4 star officer. Now let's see the commissionerate system's hierarchy. Commissioner of Police CP, head of the Unified Police Command Structure. He is responsible and directly reports to the government, where DGP or DIG rank officer holds this post. Then Special Commissioner of Police, Additional DGP rank officer holds the post. Then Joint Commissioner of Police, Inspector General of Police holds the post. Then Additional Commissioner of Police, where DIG rank officer holds the post. Selection grade, where Senior Superintendent of Police rank officer holds the post. Then Deputy Commissioner of Police is the post of Superintendent of Police. Then Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, post holds by Additional Superintendent of Police. Then Assistant Commissioner of Police, post holds by Deputy Superintendent of Police. Thank you for watching this video.